Welcome to today's video. This is going to be video number 1 of my Sailor Pluto cosplay, DIY Sailor Pluto cosplay. And today I'm going to be making her time belt. So I have everything laid out here. I have all the supplies. I'm going to be showing you the price and what brand it came from, just in case you might want to buy it as well. And all of this actually came from Hobby Lobby. Some were on sale, like 50% off and stuff like that. But I tried to get a wide variety of beads, small and large. Most of them are silver. And I do want to mention that with all the supplies I got in total, it actually supplied me to make 2 Sailor Pluto time belts. So I got 2 belts out of all of these beads, which comes in pretty handy. So you can see here I got some smaller red beads. And of course I got some larger red beads. And some keys. And I know these aren't the same keys that she's wearing in the classic show, but I just thought I might buy them. And I have some stuff that I had around my house, so I have twine, things to connect the belt together, and some scissors. So here's everything laid out so you can see. In total it cost around $34, but that was for 2 belts of course, so I say that's a pretty good deal. So here I've already tied the twine to the end of the circular piece to connect it. And I made sure it was super long so that way I have enough space to make sure it's not going to be too small or too large. And here I've already laid out everything and sorted out to make the process a lot easier. And I would recommend laying out the pattern of your choice for your time belt before you get started to make sure you have enough beads for your entire project. So here's the final product all laid out so you can see. I have the pattern repeated after every red bead, so it's pretty simple when you look at it. I have my keys laid out here at the end, and of course I have the clasp to connect to the circle piece on the other side. So from high up you can just see the pattern repeated after every red bead. So I only have 4 of the red beads, so I only repeated the pattern 4 times. And then the clasp is tied with the twine. I just triple knotted it. So there is the pattern laid out so you can see, and I have the extra beads to make the second one. So here it is on my waist. You can see that I tried to give it a little looseness so that way it's not too tight. You can see the clasp is back there in the pattern. It was repeated all the way around. I wanted to make sure there was no gaps where you could see the twine like underneath. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Stay tuned until the next video where I make more of Sailor Pluto's costume. And thank you for watching. Bye!